Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Update YouTube app. For that, open the App Store on your iPhone. In App Store, tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Now search for YouTube. Here make sure the YouTube app is up to date and make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. If any update is available, then update the app. Solution 2. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset network settings in the pop-up menu. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap on Reset network settings to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 3. Software update. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, tap on Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Solution 4. Delete VPN. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. In General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and device management. Here, if any VPN is connected, then remove it. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.